Hello, good morning. So today we'll see a summary of radix 2 DIF FFT algorithm. In last lecture we have seen the summary for radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm. So we'll start with point number 1. So point number 1 is what? The number of input samples 2 raised n is equals to 2 raised to m. So the step number 1 is as same as that of DIT FFT algorithm. So when capital M is equals to 3, that means the n is of 8 point DFT. So the stage for 8 point DFT is equals to 3, maximum stage. Now here I have told you the basic difference between DIT and DIF. For DIT, input sequence is in bit reversal order, and for DIF, input sequence is in natural order. For DIT, output sequence is in natural order, and for DIF, output sequence is in bit reversal order. This is the major difference between DIT and DIF FFT algorithm. Step number 3, again it will remain same. The number of stages is equals to, so I have told you that n is equals to 2 raised to 3 because radix 2 FFT algorithm 2 raised to 3, that is the value of n. So this 3 indicates number of stages. So for n point DFT, for 8 point DFT you require 3 stages, for 4 point DFT you require 2 stages, for 2 point DFT you require 1 stage, and for 16 point DFT you require 4 stages. 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16. Each stage consists of n by 2 butterflies. Each stage consists of, now for stage 1 also it is going to consist, when n is equals to 8, it is 4 for stage 1, 4 for stage 2, 4 for stage 3. When capital N is equals to 4, it is 2 for stage 1 and 2 for stage 2. So the point number 1, point number 3 and point number 4, it is similar to that of DIT FFT algorithm. Point number 5 is also, sorry, let me check the point number 4. Point number 5 is not same. Here the input and output for each butterfly are separated by 2 raised to m minus 1. Here the input and output for each butterfly are separated by 2 raised to capital M minus 1. In DIT FFT algorithm, here we are having what? Here we are having 2 raised to small m minus 1. But in DIF FFT algorithm, here we are having 2 raised to m minus m. So let me show you here. So input and output for each butterfly are separated by 2 raised to capital M minus 1. Now let me show you here. For stage 1, so for stage 1 means what? M is equals to 1. So 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 minus 1. So it is equals to 4. So here in between the input and output, each complete butterfly is separated by 4 samples. For stage 2, let me show you in the graph also. For M is equals to 2. So 2 raised to 3 minus 2. So 2 raised to 1, so it is equals to 2, and for m is equals to 3, it is equals to 2 raised to 3 minus 3, that means 2 raised to 0, and that is equals to 1. So for stage 1, between the input and output, each butterfly is separated by 4 samples. For stage 2 by 2 samples, for stage 1 it is by 1 samples. Now I will tell you the basic difference between the flow of DIT and DIF. DIT FFT algorithm and between the DIF FFT algorithm, it is the mirror image of each other. So when you have a DIT FFT algorithm, you see the mirror image of it becomes DIF FFT algorithm. So it is like that. So it is the mirror image of DIT FFT algorithm. Now let's come to the point. For input and output for each butterfly are separated by, for stage 1 it is equals to 4, and for stage 2 it is equals to 2, and for stage 1 it is equals to 1. Now see, this is my complete butterfly diagram. Okay, so in between the input and output, each butterfly separated by 4 samples. So see here, this is my first sample. See this line, first samples, second samples, third samples and fourth samples. So when you see this also, this one and this one also, it is separated by 4 samples. Now for stage 2, so here it is separated by 2 samples. You can see here, this is my first samples, second samples, and here it is only separated by these samples, 1 samples. So that about the point number 5. Point number 6 and 7, it is similar. We require n by 2 log to the base 2 of n complex multiplication and n log to the base 2 of n complex addition. So complex multiplication and addition are similar to that of DIT FFT algorithm. Now point number 8 is different. Twiddle factor exponents is given by here. K is equals to, the exponent factor is given by K is equals to nt by 2 raised to m minus m plus 1, and where the range of t is given by 2 raised to m minus 1 minus 1. So let me show you here. K is equals to nt by 2 raised to m capital M minus small m minus 1, and the range of t is given by, and the range of t is 0 to 2 raised to m minus 1, 2 raised to m minus 1 minus 1. Now it is, here it is plus, here it is plus 1, 2 raised to m minus 1 minus 1. Now see, so let me take the example for stage 1, m is equals to 1. So when m is equals to 1, first I am going to calculate, and now here Twiddle factor exponent is what? Twiddle factor exponent is W8k, because I am considering the value of capital N as 8. So m is equals to 1, that is number of stage. So k is equals to, we have known the value of n is equals to 8t divided by 2 raised to, capital M is 3, so 2 raised to 3 minus 1 plus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 will cancel, so it becomes 2 raised to 3 only, so it becomes 8. So the value of k and t, it is equals to same. So value of k and t, it is equals to same here. Now we have to find a range of t. So range of t here, it is valid for, here it is valid for 0. So 0 to what we need to find? 0 to 2 raised to m. Here it is 2 raised to m minus 1 minus 1. So what is the value of m here? So here it should be the capital M. Here it should be 2 raised to m minus m. Here it is not like this. Here it is 2 raised to m. 2 raised to, here we need to make changes here. 2 raised to m minus 1. 2 raised to m minus m, and here it is minus 1. 2 raised to m minus 1 minus, here we will be having. So here it is capital M minus small m. This is, you consider this is capital M. 2 raised to capital M minus m minus 1. So what is the value of m? So value of m is 3. So 3 minus 1, so it is 2. So 2 raised to 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So the range of t and the range of k, here it will remain same, because the range of t we have got as 0 to 3, and here value of k is equal to t. So it also becomes 0 to 3. So for stage 1, Twiddle factor exponents is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. So W80. So as you see here, W80, W81, W82, W83. So that is for stage 1. Similarly, we can calculate for stage 2 also. Okay. So for stage 2, let me take the example here. M is equals to 2. M is equals to 2. So the formula for k is known. So k is equals to 80 by 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 minus 2. So 2 raised to 3 minus 2 plus 1. 2 raised to 3, sorry, 2 raised to 3 minus 2. So it becomes 2 raised to 2, that becomes 4. So it is equals to 2t. It is equals to what? It is equals to 2t. So here we need to put the value of m as 3, small m as 2 plus 1. So it is equals to 4. Now value of k we have got as 2t. Now the range of t. The range of t is valid for 0 to. So let me calculate 0 to. So 0 to 3 minus 2. So it is equals to 1. So 2 raised to 1 it becomes 2. 2 minus 1 it becomes 1. So it is valid for 0 and 1. So the range of k is valid for when t is equals to 0 it becomes 0, when t is equals to 1 it becomes 2. So that's why we are getting here Tweedle factor exponent as W8 0 and W8 2. So for stage 1 we have got 0, 1, 2, 3, and for stage 2 we have got 0 and 2. So let me show you here W8 0, W8 2, W8 0, W8 2. So these are nothing but the at what times the Tweedle factor exponents are going to repeat. And for stage 3 also it is equals to, for stage 3 and the value of k we have to calculate nt 80 divided by 2 raised to 3 minus 3, because stage is 3. So 2 raised to 3 minus 3, so it is 0 plus 1. So 2 raised to 1 it becomes 2. So it is equals to 4t. 4t is the value of k. Now the Tweedle range of t, 2 raised to 0 to 2 raised to 3 minus 3. So 2 raised to 3 minus 3. So 2 raised to 0, that is 1. 1 minus 1 0. So the range of t is equals to 0 only. So while putting t is equals to 0, the value of k is also is equals to 0. That's why we are getting the Tweedle factor exponents as W8 0. So here we have got W8 0 as the Tweedle factor exponent. So that is about the step number 8. So here it is not 2 raised to m minus 1 minus 1, here it is 2 raised to capital M minus m small m minus 1. Number of sets or section of each butterfly is given by 2 raised to m minus 1. So the value, if the value of m is equals to 1, if the value of m is equals to 1, it becomes 2 raised to 1 minus 1. So 2 raised to 0, so it becomes 1. If the value of m is equals to 2, so 2 raised to 2 minus 1, so 2 raised to 1 it becomes 2. So here we'll be having only the one section. As you see here we'll be having the two section, one section and two section, and here we'll be having four section, one section, two section, third section and four section. So that about the point number 9. And the Tweedle factor exponent, so 2 raised to m minus 1. So again it is going to repeat. For stage 1 it is for 1 times, for stage 2 it is for 2 times. Same here, 1 time, then 2 times, then 4 times. So as you see here, the Tweedle factor exponents are going to repeat only for 1 times. Here it is repeating for 2 times, and here also it is repeating for 4 times. And the output sequence is in what? The output sequence is in beat reversal order. So in that way we can find the radix to DIT FFT algorithm using this step only.